Hey, this is the extension for 5.2. This is journal page 93 and 94. And I have this, my coordinate planes, because I am going to need to graph these, graph to tell whether x and y are in a proportional relationship. Remember, that means we're going to graph them and see if they go through the origin here, which is where 0 and 0 are. X is 0 and y is 0, where the two axes meet. So we have to graph them, and drawing, freehanding a graph down here always turns out horrible. So here we go. When x is 2 and y is 5. So I'm going to write my points out here that I'm going to graph. This would be, remember, our points always go x, y. So this will be 2, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9, and 5, 11. So we're going to graph these. The x-axis, just since the origin's here in the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can get all of my x's in here. The y goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, barely get that one in there too. Fantastic. So I'm going to graph 2, 5. That means 2 on the x and 5 on the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. My next one is 3, 7. So over one more, but up two more. Here we go. Over one more and up two more to get to 4, 9. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the way up to 11. So now I take a straight edge. I'm not just freehanding it in here. I have to make a straight line here. I know all lines are straight. That does not go through the origin. The origin's down here. Okay? That looks like it goes through where y equals 1, which is not the origin. So tell whether they're in a proportional relationship. Not proportional. The next problem, same thing. I like to put what points I'm going to be graphing here. So I'll have 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12. Just getting those values right from this table here. 1, 3 is right there. 2, 6, 3, 9, and 4, 12 would be like right there. And that's probably pretty accurate, so I'm going to actually use it. This does go through the origin, so proportional. Excellent. We can actually check our work here to make sure it's proportional. Cross products 6, cross products 18, cross products 36. So just to double check to make sure it is indeed proportional. Number 3, same thing. So we've got, now look at these, 2.4, 4.8, 7.2, and 9.6. How am I supposed to graph these on this graph? Where do I find 0.4 and 0.8, 0.2 and 0.6? This is ugly, but we're going to try it anyway. So it'll be 1, 2.4, 2, 4.8, 3, 7.2, and 4, 9.6. So 1 is 1 on the x, 2.4. So 1, 2, and a little less than half. 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4.8, which is right about there. 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.2. And 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9.6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a little more than half. So let's see here. Wow, that worked out pretty well. This one looks a little off, although I'm really kind of guessing on these. So I'm going, this does go through the origin, so I'm going to write proportional for this. And if we did cross products here, we could actually prove to ourselves that it is indeed proportional. Finally, number 4, we have 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, and 8, 5. 2, 2 is right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 is right there. 6, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, 8, 5. Let's take a look at that one. Not proportional. But that makes sense. Look at this first cross product here. 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 3 is 6. So even right there, not proportional, but does not go through the origin. So not proportional. Awesome. Well, that's the graphing side of things. Turn the page over. And now it says, interpret each plotted point in the graph of the proportional relationship. So we've got to determine each of these. Remember that when we do these, the points are given to us, x, y. But when we interpret them, we say the y number, the y value, with the y units per or over the x number with the x units. All right, well, let's give that a try. So for number 5 here, this first one, we'll start down at the bottom. That's 0, and we say the y units, which are out here, so 0 miles per 0 hours. 0 miles per 0 hours. The next one will be, we say the y number first, that's 60. It's the second number. With these units out here, 60 miles per, and this time over 1 hour. That's our unit rate, because it's got a 1 in the denominator. And finally, we have 120 miles per 2 hours. Number 6, same thing. We say the second value with these units per or over the first value in these units. So we have $0, let's put the dollar sign, per 0 pounds, $40 per 4 pounds, and $70 for 7 pounds. Number 7. 0 emails for 0 days. 45 emails per 3 days. And finally, 60 emails per 4 days. And now number 8, 0 cups for 0 pies, 12 cups for 2 pies, and 24 cups for 4 pies. Fantastic. I hope that didn't take you too long. We will see you in class. See ya.